How did Raigu lose its water? What is Raigu actually is? Researchers have offered an explanation why Raigu is not as rich as in water-bearing minerals as some other asteroids are. Because Raigu is an asteroid. Researchers have offered an explanation why Raigu is not as rich in water-bearing minerals as some other asteroids are bearing. So, researchers you are using the data from Hayabusa spacecraft of Japan instruments to reveal new details about the asteroid's past. The Hayabusa 2 mission represents the first time a sample from one of these asteroids has been directly collected and returned to the Earth. The study suggests that ancient parent body from which the ancient parent body from which Raiju was formed, had likely been dried out. That is, the ancient parent has been dried out in some kind of heating event before the Raiju came into being, which left Raiju itself drier than expected. These meteoroids have been studied in great detail in laboratories around the world for many decades, but it is not possible to determine with certainty which asteroid a given carbonaceous chondrite meteorite may come from. That is, these meteorites have been studied in great detail in laboratories around the world for many decades, but it is still not possible to but it is still not possible to determine with certainty that which asteroid a given carbonaceous chondrite meteorite may come from. That is, a meteorite cannot be tell from which asteroid it came from. That is, it is not possible to determine with certainty which asteroid a carbonaceous chondrite meteorite may come from. Scientists think these asteroids likely form from debris left over when larger and more solid asteroids are broken apart by a larger impact event. It could also be Riju dried out after a catastrophic disruption, Riju dried out after catastrophic disruption and reformation as a rubble pile. It may also be possible that Raiju had a few close spins past the Sun in its past, which could have heated it up and dried out its surface. So, one of the reasons Raigu was chosen as a destination is that it belongs to the class of asteroids that are dark in color and suspected to have water-bearing minerals and organic compounds. Because of its dark in color, we suspect that it have water-bearing minerals and organic compounds. These types of asteroids are believed to be possible parent bodies for dark. These type of asteroids are believed to be possible parent bodies for dark, water, and carbon-bearing meteorites found on Earth, known as carbonaceous chondrites. That is, these types of asteroids are believed to be the possible parents for the dark, water, and carbon-bearing meteorites found on the Earth, known as carbonaceous chondrites. This Rygu, or you can call it Rugu asteroid, is a near-Earth object and a potentially hazardous asteroid of the Apollo group. In June 2018, Japanese spacecraft Hayabusa 2 arrived at the asteroid. After making the measurements and taking samples, Hayabusa 2 left Rygu for Earth and returned the sample capsule to the Earth.